to my channel, The Kind Elephant and the Tiny Ants. Once upon a time, in a big, green forest, there lived a wise and gentle elephant. She was known by all the animals for being kind and smart. One day, the elephant accidentally stepped on an anthill, making the little ants very upset. The ants started biting the elephant with all their strengths, but the elephant stayed calm and said, "I'm so sorry for hurting your home by accident. Let's fix this together." The ants were surprised by her kindness and stopped biting. The elephant helped the ants rebuild their home, showing them that even though she was big, she respected all creatures. From that day, the elephant and the ants became friends. They showed everyone that kindness can bring even the biggest and smallest together. Moral: kindness and empathy can solve any problem, no matter how big or small. The end.